How to copy YouTube video tags. With a YouTube tool like vidIQ or TubeBuddy installed in your Google Chrome browser, you can copy the tags from these top 2 to 3 most viewed videos relevant to your video. So for this example, I've installed TubeBuddy on my Google Chrome, and in that right sidebar, I click the Copy To button under the Tags section. Then in that pop-up menu, click the Copy to Clipboard link. So you want to paste this into a Word doc and place a comma between each set of video tags you copy and paste into this Word doc. Once you have them all pasted in, copy all of these keywords and paste them into an Excel spreadsheet. Just paste them into the first cell. Next, click that Data tab in the top nav bar. Click the Text to Columns option. In this pop-up menu, select Delimited. Then click the Next button. On this step, select the delimiters tab and comma. Then click the Finish button. So select this entire row, right-click, and select Copy. Select a cell a few rows down in this first column, right-click, and select Paste Special. Leave the Paste and Operation section as the default. Select the checkbox next to Transpose. Click the OK button. Select this column of keywords, then click the Sort button, A to Z. Delete any duplicate keywords and adjust any outdated years. Select this cleaned up list, right-click, and select Copy. Go back to your Word doc that is now cleared, click the Paste menu button, and select Paste Special. Select Unformatted Text and click OK. Select all of this text and then click the Replace button in the top nav bar. In the Find What field, enter this caret symbol P. In the Replace With field, enter comma. Then click the Replace All button. Now we have a cleaned list of all of our keywords that is comma separated, ready to be added to our YouTube video. So select all these keywords, right-click, and select Copy. Navigate back to your YouTube video upload page or to your already published YouTube video edit page and paste the keywords into the tags field on your YouTube video. Thanks for checking out Coursenvy. Please take 1 second to like, subscribe, and comment anything below. These 3 things are the key to getting your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results.